Hello everyone, this is Alyssa, Teen Librarian for Cranston Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to access Tutor.com for homework help. The first step is to go to cranstonlibrary.org. Once you're on our homepage, in this top purple bar, you will see Kids and Teens. If you mouse over it and go down to the Teens page, you'll need to scroll down a little bit, but on this left-hand side, you will see the Tutor.com icon under Homework Help. Click on that. This will bring you to a page to enter in your Cranston Public Library library card number. If you need help accessing your library card number, contact us at the library and we can get you set up with a new card or renew an existing card. This is the page that you will see once you enter in your library card. You'll click on Get a Tutor Now. If it is your first time logging into Tutor.com, you will see this box pop up. You can access Tutor.com for free with your library card without needing to sign up for an account. However, if you wanted to enter in your information to sign up for a free Tutor.com account, it does unlock extra features such as practice tests and an essay drop-off feature. However, if you just want to ask a tutor a question, you can close out of this and it will bring you to this screen. Here is where you tell Tutor.com what you need help with. So it'll ask you what topic. You'll have to select a subject. Let's say geometry. You'll have to select a grade. So let's say 10th grade. And here's where you'll enter in your question. Tutor.com works the best when you ask a specific homework help question. Most homework help sessions last less than 20 minutes. So let's say I have a question about this. What you'll do after entering your question is connect now. And it will open up this, we're getting you a tutor box. For now, we're going to cancel this request. However, this is an example of what the Tutor.com tutoring page looks like. So you will see the person that you are matched with, you will have a chat box to ask your question and any follow-up questions, and then there's also this space for them to draw things on a digital whiteboard or graph things as needed. All of the tutors in Tutor.com are certified in their content area, which means they're real teachers on the other end of Tutor.com, so you know that the homework help that you are receiving is high quality. If you need help accessing Tutor.com, or if you have any questions about your library card, you can contact us here at the Cranston Public Library. You can call us, email us, or down at the bottom, there's this little blue box. You can chat with a librarian.